Here are our two watches that we're going to be comparing today on our quick comparison. Two Pilot design pieces that at retail are roughly the same, but now that these are used, this one is worth almost twice as much used as this one. Although personally, I think the IWC has a bit more prestige in the Pilot watch area, and Rolex, although this new Air King is an excellent watch in the sense that they finally got the design right, they finally got the balance right, the fact that it's a true sports Rolex now that has the sports bracelet and the crown guards, and the fact that they redesigned the dial to give it more balance. It's only when you really look at it next to a, quote unquote, real Pilot's watch that you notice that, yes, Rolex was trying to make the Air King a real Pilot's watch. Because some Pilot's watches show the hours, as this one does. Some show only, or I shouldn't say only the minutes, because it does have the 369, but shows the minutes. And of course, there are some that show both hours on an inner track, minutes on an outer track. But these are both luxury Pilots, Deutsche Flieger style, as it were. Although this one is based specifically on a British land speed racing car, the one that broke the speed of sound. This is the dial layout is patterned exactly like the dash controls in the Land Racer, but it is a Flieger design in essence. The biggest difference between these two, as far as, well, there are major design cues between the two watches that are different, but as far as the clear layout, numerically oriented design, the biggest difference is that the triangles are inverted. The IWC has it upwards pointed as per standard German Flieger design, and the Rolex, the triangle is pointed down per more Rolex design style. So let's look at these watches a little bit more closely. I'm not going to worry at right this point about the bracelet, because I do have the metal bracelet for this piece. I picked up an IWC Pilot bracelet for it, so I do have a metal bracelet for it, so I'm not going to worry about trying to compare bracelets. I'll concede that the Rolex bracelet is probably superior in feel and function, and point goes to the Rolex for that. But if we just look at the dials, the nice thing about the IWC, it makes a plain dial look sharp. The Rolex dial is very flat. It's a beautiful, clean dial, but I don't know. The IWC comes across looking richer. They both just have 3, 6, 12, and 9 lume. So I'm not going to complain one over the other there. This is a GMT, but I'm going to disregard that aspect in the comparison and pretend that the window is just some more text or something. But as far as the watches go, it is obvious that this is more of a dressy presentation and this is more of a sporty presentation, especially now with the crown guards and the sports bracelet on the Rolex. The fit and finish, though, I think the IWC in some ways is not as tight as the Rolex, but it is in its own way well finished because of the different finishes, the different aspects of the face, the way the painted markers look applied, and also the IWC is not trying to be overly luxurious. It's trying to do the best within the realm of the value of the watch and give you as much value for the dollar as humanly possible. And Rolex does get a point in the movement because it's an in-house movement on the Rolex, and this is a modified ETA inside of this one. even though they are good movements, they aren't in-house, and IWC does make in-house pieces, but the prices are much higher than either of these watches. So as a quick comparison, I would just simply say that in one sense, this is almost a perfect two-watch collection, because this could be your casual suit watch, and this could be your casual unsuit watch, as it were. But all in all, they're both two beautiful pieces that either one would be an excellent addition to your collection. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really curious what you think about this. That's one of the reasons I picked such a radical pair to compare, even though they are actually on the surface very similar watches. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.